Representatives to impeach President Biden.
The Fed leaves its key rate unchanged and signals possible rate cuts next year. Stock market analysts are hoping
the path to a soft landing for the U.S. economy is still in front of us, and that signals for the economy and for the market look better heading into next year.
2 people are arrested in Amherst County, Virginia, after 7 elementary school students are sent to the hospital after eating gummy bears from a bag that contained fentanyl residue. School Superintendent William Wells.
Right? And so we need to wake up as a county and as a community to realize that these things are real, these things are happening.
CBS News Brief, I'm Jennifer Piper.
You're standing at a lectern about to accept the Nobel Prize in Physics. The year is 1903. Until now, every Nobel laureate has been a man. Until you. Your name is Marie Curie, and what you do next is earn another Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry. No one has ever held 2 Nobel Prizes until you. You don't have to be as brilliant as Marie Curie to be a great scientist, and you don't have to be a world-renowned specialist to install a whole home generator. Any qualified electrician can manage with the average home. What if your home isn't average? What if something about your electrical usage is outside the norm? Then you need a maverick. Someone who doesn't just do generator installs, someone who teaches generator installs. That's who we are. Maverick Electric Heating and Air. And you, Madame Curie, are one of us. Visit callamaverick.com.
The holiday season is time for coming together with loved ones. And though it may seem like a hard topic to broach, like your aunt, once again, bone-dry turkey, now is a great opportunity to ask how aging relatives are doing and discuss their plans for the future. By asking if they're up to date with important vaccinations, being active every day, and discussing their long-term housing plans, you're helping make sure they're better prepared for aging. So it's your chance to start this important conversation. Visit aging.ca.gov to learn more.
Guys, did you know your testosterone level impacts your energy, libido, sleep, weight, hair loss, mood, and even ED? And right now, Revive Men's Health Sacramento will check your testosterone for free. They've helped thousands of men since 2011 feel and perform better. They're so confident they can help you, they even guarantee it. Schedule your free testosterone test, exam, and consultation today. Call 916-277-8599. That's 916-277-8599. Or visit ReviveMen'sHealth.com.
Big news from our friends at Best RV Center. The end of the year liquidation event is going on now through the end of the year. Clearing out the 2023 models. Everything must go. Listen to this. This is amazing. All inventory is 50% below MSRP, which means thousands of dollars below cost. I mean, that's incredible. Head to Best RV Center in Sherlock any day in November for huge savings and deep discounts on all the 2023s. Fifth wheels, motorhomes, travel trailers, toy haulers, and campers. They have it all. Yep, biggest selection in the entire state. Check it out at bestrv.com.
This is the lunch rush at your local deli. Orders are flying in. Online, on the phone, and in person.
Order for Nick.
So is it possible that fast internet can help your business outrun the rush? It is with Comcast Business. Up-leveling your speed with gig-speed Wi-Fi, powering all your devices, and fast downloads and uploads, powered by the next-generation 10G network. With Comcast Business, next-level speed isn't just possible, it's happening. Comcast Business, powering possibilities.
Get started with fast speeds and advanced security for $59.99 a month for 12 months with a 2-year agreement. Plus, ask how to get up to an $800 prepaid card with a qualified internet package. Call or go online to learn more. In 12/20/2023. Restrictions apply. Requires paperless billing and automatic payment. New 50 megabits per second internet and security edge customers only. Equipment taxes and fees extra. Gig Wi-Fi requires gig internet and compatible router. Griner Heating, Air, and Electric is now serving Natomas.
Which is perfect timing because California is offering a program incentivizing electrification that will help get Natomas homeowners a free heat pump water heater.
Seriously, when you add that money to all the other rebates available, it won't cost you anything.
Other companies might make you pay up front and wait for the rebates to reimburse you.
But Griner is different. We'll wait for you.
We'll install your new efficient heat pump water heater and you won't pay us a penny.
The only catch is you have to live in Natomas.
Elsewhere, you'll still get the state incentive, but you'll have modest upfront costs.
You'll have to wait for your $2,000 federal tax credit.
Or you can move to Natomas.
Honestly, though, don't wait.
The state's $82 million incentive program started November 1st. And with the money runs out, the program's over.
Visit itrustwriter.com and schedule your appointment. The future depends on teachers who are reinventing the classroom and starting their students on journeys that will change the course of history. Shape the future. Learn more and receive free support at teach.org.
This is Rocky Mozell with International Star Registry. Over the past 45 years, we have named millions of stars for celebrities, dignitaries, and individuals worldwide. For $59, you call to 800-282-3333 or visit starregistry.com. You can name a star and give the ultimate Christmas gift. The star name will be recorded in book form in the U.S. Copyright Office. Visit starregistry.com or call 800-282-3333 to give the brightest gift. That's 800-282-3333.
The future depends on teachers who are reinventing the classroom and starting their students on journeys that will change the course of history. Shape the future. Teach. Learn more and receive free support at teach.org.
You save more at Elfrog Salesforce.
From California to the world,
If it's on your mind, it's on. Talk 650.
They created a system that was directly at odds with each other to try to slow things down. You could make the case the U.S. government as a system is the most inefficient of Western nations, and the president is the weakest head of state. That's the way it was designed. But that was so 247 years ago now, wasn't it? I don't think the founders ever anticipated the monster that would become the United States federal bureaucracy. We just talked about it. SEC is going to create something that will totally change America. How do they do that?
Yeah, that's right.
No checks and balances. This is where the state lives, practically unimpeded. It's where people like you and me go to jail or audited by the IRS or anything else that never seems to happen to the select few or organizations up at the top. The deep state, what is it? Well, Donald Trump was first one to kick the hornet's nest.